Students, today we will start lesson 12 and that is tenses. What is a tense? First of all, children, we must know the definition of tense. Okay? So, tense denotes the time of an action that takes place. And there are three main forms of tense: present, past and future tense. So, now today we will study the aspects of present tense. They are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, so there are four aspects of present tense. Now we will solve the exercises based on present tense. A. Read the following sentences and underline the verbs in different present tense forms. State the tense of each underlined verb. The first one has been done for you. First, I am looking at the landscape. It is a present continuous tense. Whatever action is in ing form, that is a present continuous. So, have a look at the second sentence. The same thing. The old man is snoring loudly. So, it is an action which is going in present and it is in continuous form. So, it is also present continuous. Now, third, he does yoga regularly. Okay, so it is a habitual tendency. So students, you must know that habitual tendencies come in the category of simple present. Okay. 4. She is dreaming of traveling in space. It is also present continuous. 5. The laborers are toiling hard. It is also an action that is going in present and in continuous form. So it is also present continuous. The tortoise is sleeping in its shell. So the same situation here also. The action is told in continuous form. So it is a present continuous. 7. The city wears a deserted look. This is a simple present. 8. Sita is learning paragliding these days. This is also present continuous. 9. The mechanic has tried his best to repair the bike but to no avail. Okay. An activity of past and present where they are in blend or they are mixed together. So that becomes present perfect. And the last tense sentence. The bell rings after every period. So it is an action that goes all the time after every period. The bell rings after every period. So it is also simple present. Okay? Understood? Now have a look at exercise B. Use the appropriate form of B and have in the following sentences. Okay? First, they are planning to watch the match on television. Second, I am going to the nearby park. 3. Ragini has not broken this vase. 4. Suhail is an intelligent boy. 5. They are questioning him. 6. They are in a hurry. 7. You are a talented artist. 8. You have contracted your friend, it seems. 9. She is going to Shimla for a few weeks. 10. I have just made a cup of coffee. Okay. C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs from the brackets. Ganesh has a good collection of storybooks. Second, the cake tastes delicious. Third, he wishes me luck for my new assignment. 4. Mohan forgets his identity card every second day. Okay. 5th, Mohan forgets his identity card every second day. 5. Naman dislikes his new classmate. Okay. Look at exercise D. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verb given in brackets. The tense form is mentioned along with each sentence. Okay. So look at the first sentence. They are joining me for lunch today. It is in present continuous. Whatever action that is in continuous form, that is a present continuous tense. Whenever there is an ing form with the verb, then it is a present continuous. Second, boys love to fly kites. It is a simple present. And habitual tendencies are rated or they come under simple present tense. Third, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is also simple present because it is a universal truth. So, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is a simple present tense because it is a universal truth. The theatre festival begins in the coming weekend. Okay, so it is also a habitual tendency, an activity that comes again and again. So it is simple present. 5. My friend has finished reading the novels. It is present perfect. And in present perfect, an action of present and past are mixed together, are blend together. Okay. 6. The sea waves are lashing on the seashore. It is a present continuous. Okay. 7. I have wrote the letter and posted it. So as I've already told you in the 5th sentence that an action of past and present, whenever they come together, that becomes a present perfect. Okay. Rewrite the following sentences as directed. Okay. Second, she is traveling by bus. You have to change into interrogative. So have a look. Is she traveling by bus? And in the first sentence, they are meeting today. You have to change into negative. They are not meeting today. So students, so like this you have to solve the exercises. Come at sentence 3. They are leaving for Kolkata soon. You have to change into interrogative. Okay. Are they leaving for Kolkata? Okay. Are they leaving for Kolkata? And put a mark of interrogation to make it interrogative. 4. She plays the piano. This sentence also we have to change into interrogative. What she plays and a mark of interrogation. 5th, she is going out this weekend. You have to change into negative. She is not going out this weekend. Okay, put a full stop. 6. Students are rehearsing for the sports day. You have to change into negative. Students are not rehearsing for the sports day. The last sentence, grandma is knitting a cardigan. You have to change into interrogative. Is grandma knitting a cardigan? Okay, and put a mark of interrogation so as to make it interrogative sentence. Okay. Now exercise F. Fill in the blanks with have, having, see, looking, listen or hear. Okay. 1. My friends have their own mobiles. 2nd. He is having a healthy lunch. 3rd. I can see the mountains from here. 4th. I am looking at the shores on sale. 5th. Did you hear to all that he had to say? 6th. She can listen the loud music. Okay. So now we will study forms of present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So have a look at exercise G, which is based on present perfect continuous tense. Okay. And helping verbs are given in brackets. With the help of these helping verbs, you have to make it, you have to change into present perfect continuous tense. First, Jeffrey Archer has been writing a new novel for the last 1 year. Okay. Second, Sagarika has been suffering from viral infection since last Saturday. Third, Tina has been trying to learn French since she opted for it as the third language. 4. She has been helping her teacher after class every day. H. Fill in the blanks with verbs in the present continuous. Whenever there is present continuous tense, what we do is am, are plus ing form of the verb. Okay. And what we do with present perfect continuous tense according to the rule? Has plus been plus ing form of the verb. Okay. So now look at the exercises. First, the dog has been barking for half an hour, and helping verb bark is given in the bracket. So you have to change, we have changed into present perfect continuous tense. The dog has been barking for half an hour. Second, these days she has been learning to ride a bicycle. It is also present perfect continuous because has plus been plus ing form of the verb. Third, he is driving to the office now. The helping verb drive is given. So it is a present continuous tense. And whatever action that is going on in present form or in form, it is a present continuous tense. 4. The agitators are protesting for a week. The helping verb protest is given in the bracket. So it is a present continuous tense. 5th, he is preparing to participate in the cycling race next month. Helping verb prepare is given. So this sentence is also present continuous, and the fourth one is also present continuous tense. Okay, understood? Now have a look at exercise I. Read the following passage and fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verb in the simple present, present continuous, present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. Okay, the patients have been waiting for an hour for the doctor to arrive. Some of them are having an appointment, but there are others who have come for consultation without prior appointment. The receptionist is writing down all the names in order. She says that the doctor will reach the clinic any moment. Those waiting are busy on the mobile or reading magazines. The clinic has painted recently. It seems as the walls look fresh and clean. Some patients have been waiting since 8 a.m. and have got impatient. It appears that the doctor has just arrived. Now have a look at the last exercise J. Fill in the blanks with verbs in different forms of present tense. Use the verbs given in brackets. This is the story of a brave girl who always helps others. Okay? She plans to start a school and help girls of her age to learn martial arts. She discussed this in detail with her friends. She has kept herself busy these days. The girls have responded well in the past few days and have shown a keen interest to learn martial arts. She has approached an old martial arts instructor to take the class and he has agreed to do so. Okay? So, understood children? So, now learn all the rules of simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense given in your book, and do all the exercises in your copy.